how to buy Zachxbt token. So as you can see, this token, the name of the token is Justice for Zachxbt. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes in the down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token, it's available on CoinGecko. Go and find it there. So after that, click on markets here and you will be able to see the markets that this token available on. For example, if you want to buy it on MEXC, so if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to see that referral links. Go and use that codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Go and create an account on it. So after you create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT, click on the PayPath link here. You will be able to redirect to your account to that token trading page. What you need to do here, just click on limit and markets is the same. Now here, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will see, you will be paid of USDT, and after that click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So if you click on markets, just drag this to set how much of percentage that you will use of that USDT you have in your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So after that click on buy Zachxbt and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy Zachxbt token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.